Welcome to the course on numerical methods using MATLAB. This is Module 1, Simple Calculations using MATLAB. And now we will learn about scalar and variable. MATLAB is a powerful tool, but to use it, we must understand how it works. We will start understanding MATLAB language by discussing simple mathematical operations on scalar. Scalars means which has size but no directions. In algebra, real numbers or other elements in the field are called scalar, and variables means elements and the features with changes. MATLAB command window has this prompt with double greater than size. Here we can assign some value to any variables. Let us assign a value of 3 to variable a. And if we enter, we'll get this value of 3 to this variable a, and you can see in this workspace also a value has value of 3. We can assign, let us assign a value of 9 to variable b, and if we put semicolon after that and if we enter, in this case this MATLAB has assigned a value of 9 to this variable b, but it didn't provide it, it didn't give any output. To get the output, if we enter b on the command window and if we enter, we will get a value of 9. As you can see here, we can set a command as a is equal to 3, but it's very difficult, impossible to assign number as a variable. So if we try to write 3 is equal to x, we will get an error. And that's why we must understand the rules for naming any variables. Variables should start with letters. It can be 31 character long. Telling characters can be number, letter, or underscore. Variable names are case sensitive, and capital A and small a are basically a different objects. Give a meaningful name to variables to avoid confusion while writing a program. And remember that variable names should not coincide with the MATLAB predefined commands and functions. Now let us do some simple arithmetic operation on this MATLAB. Let us assign a value of a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 8, and we can do addition. Let us say that we have variable x, which is basically add variable a and b, and if we enter, we will get value of 11, which because 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we can do multiplication. For that, let us assign value of y is equal to a times c. We can use this asterisk signs for multiplying any variables, and because I have given this semicolon over here, command was executed, and to get what value we got, just enter y and we will get value of 40. We can perform division operations, a divided by c, and we will get this value. You can see over here, these are different variables a, b, c, and x and y. But for this, when I didn't assign any variables for this operation, MATLAB has given a variable name as a and s, and it gives this value. So if I try to multiply this a and s by 10, it will multiply this a and s value 10, and we will get this, we got this value of 6.2. If I again multiply this a and s by 10, it will take previous a and s value and will give us new a and s value with 62.5. Most common error occur in MATLAB is due to unbalanced or incorrectly placed bracket. For example, if I add 5 plus 4 and divided by c, I will get answer as 5.6. But if I use 5 plus 4 in bracket divided by 6, I will get value of 1.5. And here 4 by 6 is basically 0.66, and then it's added 5 to it, whereas here first operation of 5 plus 4 was performed and then it was divided by 6. In next video we will work on mathematical function. See you soon.